Hello everyone. Today we're diving deep into a serious memory upgrade. The NEMIX RAM 384GB DDR5 kit. This isn't your average RAM. We're talking about a powerhouse designed for servers, workstations, AI, data mining, and other demanding applications. This kit comes with 496GB DDR5 RDIMM modules, running at a speedy 4,800 MHz. That PC5-38400 spec means it can handle a massive amount of data throughput. The 2RX4 configuration and 1.1V operating voltage suggest a focus on both performance and power efficiency, crucial for systems running 24/7. The CL40 latency is fairly standard for DDR5, and the ECC register design is a must-have for maintaining data integrity in critical applications. NEMIX RAM positions itself as a specialist in enterprise storage RAM, and this kit certainly fits that bill. They emphasize that memory upgrades are the easiest and most cost-effective way to boost performance. And with 384GB of DDR5, you're unlikely to run into memory bottlenecks anytime soon. Installation is generally straightforward, but always consult your server or workstation's manual for specific instructions. NEMIX RAM also highlights its commitment to quality, offering a lifetime replacement warranty and support from experienced IT staff. This is a big plus, as memory compatibility and configuration can sometimes be tricky, especially with high-capacity kits like this. The key takeaway here is that this NEMIX RAM kit is built for serious workloads. If you're running a server, workstation, or other system that demands massive memory capacity and reliable performance, this could be an excellent upgrade. The ECC register design provides peace of mind, and the 4,800 MHz speed ensures snappy performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.